How much does it really cost to build an AI outreach machine from scratch? I'm not talking about theory. I'm talking about real tools, real subscriptions, and the real trade-offs you have to make. Let's break down the actual dollars and cents you need to get started. What are we even paying for here? At its core, we're investing in one thing: a repeatable system that finds leads and then contacts them automatically. That's it. It's a machine designed to bring you conversations. Now, where do most people go wrong and blow their budget? Your costs will absolutely spike when you start scraping too broadly, trying to pull data from everywhere. They'll spike when you visit too many pages on each website you scrape, which burns through your credits. And they'll definitely spike when you run too many automations or actors without setting any limits. It's like leaving the tap running. You'll drain your resources before you know it. So, here's a golden rule to live by. Always cap the number of pages you visit per website, and always cap the number of leads you generate in a single run. For example, tell your system, do not visit more than 5 pages on this company's site and stop after you find 100 new leads. This discipline will save you a fortune. Now, let's talk about where not to spend your money, especially when you're just starting out. First, don't overpay for a fancy, custom dashboard before you even have a single reply. A simple spreadsheet works just fine. Second, don't get sucked into complex AI personalization before you've even nailed the basics. Your first goal is just to get your outreach system running smoothly. Fancy personalization can come later. And third, please don't sign up for too many tools at once. You'll get overwhelmed and end up paying for subscriptions you don't even use. So, what should you focus on? Remember the 80-20th rule. 80% of your success will come from just 3 things: the quality of your leads, the strength of your offer, and having a clean sending infrastructure. Get those 3 things right, and you're already way ahead of the game. Everything else is just optimization. Let's look at some budget tiers. If you're on a shoestring budget, let's say under $300 a month, you can absolutely get started. You'll be using tools with generous free tiers, doing more manual work, and probably scraping smaller, more targeted lists. It's slower, but it's effective. You might use a tool like Apify for scraping, maybe just on their free plan to start, and a simple email sending tool. You'll be the one connecting all the dots, but it's a great way to learn the process inside and out. Now for a more standard, mid-tier budget, let's say $500 to $1,000 a month. This is where things get interesting. At this level, you can afford more robust subscriptions. You can pay for a solid data provider to get higher quality lead lists from the start. You can also afford more automation credits, which means you can run your outreach machine more frequently and at a larger scale. This is the sweet spot for most people starting out. You're getting a good balance of automation and cost, which frees you up to focus on closing the deals that your machine brings in. You're building a real, predictable pipeline. And finally, the high-growth tier, which is anything over $2,000 a month. At this stage, you're not just running a machine. You're building a factory. You're investing in the best-in-class tools for every step of the process. You might have dedicated proxy services for scraping, advanced AI models for hyper-personalizing every single email, and sophisticated analytics to track every metric. You're likely running multiple campaigns at once, targeting different industries and customer profiles. This level is all about scaling as fast as possible and requires a team to manage it. But remember, you don't start here. You work your way up. The key takeaway is this: you can start an AI agency's outreach system on almost any budget. The difference is the speed and scale at which you can operate. Don't let a small budget stop you. Start small, prove the model, and then reinvest your profits to scale up. The system is what matters, not the price tag of your tools. If you want the exact tech stack and the step-by-step workflows that we are using right now to generate leads for our own agency, I've put it all together in a free resource pack. If you want it, just comment the word stack down below, and we'll send it right over to you. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped demystify the costs of getting started. Make sure to subscribe for more practical guides like this one. See you in the next video.